So just a little bit of trade management across the two macro books that we have on our cross asset weekly macro Monday call. Obviously we have the tactical book as well as the strategic book. There's been quite a few changes in regards to kind of closed positions as well as open positions. So just wanted to run through that and give a bit more of kind of kind of the thinking behind it. On the tactical book, ended up closing the Nikkei shorts. This is going to be moved back to the back burner just simply given Friday's close. I got a little bit more concerned on kind of near-term kind of price action on potential kind of US dollar kind of squeeze. Long overdue. I think that tactical kind of merit is there. So just wanted to put that a little bit to the side now. Ended up also banking the long Aussie bond futures trade we had. We hit our first profit target, and I actually thought that was good enough to just kind of close the trade as I was kind of a little bit nervous on having that over a longer kind of time frame, and it's moved very, very quickly to what we were targeting. In regards to the tactical book, on the trades we added on, long dollar Swissy, long US dollar versus short the Sing dollar, as well as also a tactical short on the NASDAQ. For quite a few weeks now we've been saying that US equities look quite heavy, looking stretched, looking a little bit exhausted, and think we could kind of be in for a bit of a pullback kind of there, kind of targeting that 6,200 to 6,000 kind of 120-ish kind of level. Would expect it to be quite shallow, so it's also one of these with a time stop, i.e. if we don't really have it over the next kind of few weeks, we'll just kind of clear it out from the book. On the strategic side, actually ended up closing the long contrarian cable play that we had. This is really more a price action kind of trade management thing. The weekly chart does still look constructive in my view, but given the fact that we've had a little bit of a softening in the fundamentals behind the trade, i.e. Weaker than expected kind of CPI, more dovish BOE with also one hawkish MPC member now out. We'll have to kind of wait and see kind of what goes on there. Added also the long dollar Swissy and long US dollars, short Singapore dollars onto the strategic book, as well as very much a tactical, should I say technical driven view on the Swiss market equity index, which seems to be breaking out to the upside. Also fits very nicely well with this devaluation theme that I think we're going to be seeing on the Swiss franc that could roll not just for a few quarters but potentially a few years, and of course that will be super positive for Swiss exporters. So have a think and a bit of a look. Hopefully there'll be some ideas and some inspirations there. Wishing everyone a great week up ahead.